how to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on your story. So if you are facing a problem with highlight views on your story, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. And now if you simply upload a story and if you are not being able to view the viewers of your story, then what you can do is you can simply open up your settings at first and then go for apps and notifications, and here go for see all apps, and then you can go for Instagram, and from here you can go for storage and cache. And after that, here you will have two options. One is clear storage and another one is clear cache. So simply go for clear cache and clear all of that cache, and after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and then you can go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after opening, now here under the open option, or instead of this open option, if you have an update option, then you can simply go for update and you have to update your Instagram application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that and you can simply restart your device. You can hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right corner you will have restart option. Simply you can go for a restart and then you can restart your device, and now your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if your problem still doesn't fix, then you can go for Instagram and hold on to that Instagram and go for the app info icon, and here you will have uninstall option. You can simply uninstall it and then you can again install it and log into your account, and that might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.